Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the opacity of a video in CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this video of a burger and I want to add this video of an egg on top of it, but I want to be able to see both. Just go to the blend mode section, go to the second video or whichever video you want, and then adjust the opacity. I mean, you can see it if you bring it up just a little bit, but it just basically turns the opacity down of the other video. You can also use blend modes to achieve that effect, like as you can see. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!